Hi, this is Bruce, and today we're going to create a mobile app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that resembles a native app. Now, there are a number of different frameworks or libraries that we could use, such as jQuery Mobile, JSONet, React Native, Ionic, PhoneGap from Adobe. But the one we're going to use is onsen UI, which allows us to build native-like apps with plain JavaScript without having a complex build, which can be difficult on computers where you don't have administrative rights. Let's get started.
So if you start off here and then click on assignments and then project 2, creating a mobile app, you can see here I've got some handy links as well as a description of the first exercise. If we click on onsen.io, it brings us to the onsen UI homepage, and you can go through this and see the main features and how it works and get some more information about onsen in particular. But to get started, we're going to click on Get Started. And there's a video here. Again, I would recommend that you watch it. But what we're going to do is we're going to skip down and we're going to copy the code that gets the files served from a content delivery network or a CDN. And we're going to create a new file. In our onsen demo, and then we'll paste the code that we grabbed from the Get Started page from onsen, and we'll upload that and see if that works. Unfortunately, today you can see that unpackage.com, the CDN, is having problems. So what we'll do is I'm going to flip it over to another CDN, which is Cloudflare. So we'll grab these 3 links. Plus, you can see I've got a demo thing here. So we'll do onsen demo CSS, which we'll create in a few minutes. So let's save this and upload it, and now see if it works. And it does. Hello world. And you can see that we're getting the error because I haven't yet created that CSS page. So if we go back to the getting started and scroll down, you can see here they've got one of the ways or one of the patterns that they use in order to create a multi-page document. So if we click on this, we can see it pushes to the second page, and then we can go back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and paste it here. And then I'm going to copy the JavaScript, and I'll create a JavaScript folder. And inside there, I'm going to create a onsen demo JavaScript file. And paste the code from the Getting Started page. And we'll upload that. And we will link the script. Upload. And now you can see we've got a 2-page demo where that follows a pattern as if you're in an app that goes from page to page in a linear manner. So we can see if we push the page or it adds the page to the stack, and we can click back to go back to the first page. And if we take a closer look at how this works, you can see that within our body, there are 3 main parts. One is the navigator. The second is a template for page 1, and the third is the template for page 2. And then in the template, we've got a button and a back button. So in the button, we can see that if we look at the JavaScript, that we've got an on-click event attached to the button. And then what it does is it pushes the page, or it adds the page to the stack for page 2, and changes the title of that page to page 2. And then if we're on page 2, what it does is it sets the content of the toolbar back to the title and links back to the first page. I hope this helps.